to Mommy and Donnie's channel. Today we're going to be lighting off the 4th of July fireworks.
So we're very excited and we want you to come see our
Fireworks
show. All right, enjoy. Oh my.
Guys, look at the fireworks.
Zonnie, you're living in a danger zone. You're living dangerously, Zonnie. You're living dangerously, Zonnie. Alright, now you're just looking crazy, girl. It's still going. It keeps going and going and going.
No, Anthony, come breathe the snow.
Scary.
It's gonna stop right now. Stop.
Hope you guys enjoyed the show.
Don't forget to like that and subscribe down below. Bye.
Bye.
You better listen to what Mama say. Mama.